started, fizzing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and petals happen everywhere.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn about Spider-Man or Black Panther. Black Panther is a cat. We're going to go like that. But first we need to open it.
Show it.
And
How you going to cut it?
with my scissors. And first we need to cut the beagle first. And we need some help. Daddy, can you help me?
I am part of the video. Now we need to open it here.
Yeah. But wait, what is scissors? What is the bottom?
Oh, you need to remind kids that scissors are
Yeah, but
should be what? When you're using scissors, be careful.
be careful, yeah. Always be careful. Just black the handle only.
Panther nga yan, anak. Hindi tiger.
It's a panther.
Panther.
Yeah, it's panther chomp. Jumping around like this. Away!
Owlet!
You chomp. You tiger chomp. Yeah!
My face!
Yeah, one!
Oh, play with Anna.
No. This play. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Or when you have that,
Like.
and click to like.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Have a good day.
Have a good day. or